All right, now we are at the point where it's time to upload our video. So Paul Counts here again, teaching you how to properly optimize your videos, upload them so you can maximize your traffic from the world's second largest search engine, and that is YouTube. So what we've covered already is at this point, we've gone over what YouTube is, we've covered competition research, identifying keywords to go after, and we also went through what it takes to actually create a video, and we also created our very own YouTube channel. So I showed you step by step in the beginning videos how to create and set up your very own YouTube channel from scratch. So this is a great lesson on how to set it up. You can see this is what our channel looks like now. Now it's time to get a video uploaded. So there's a couple of things we want to focus on in this video, and that is ensure that we're really maximizing our efforts, right? So if you're going to take the time to create these videos, we want to make sure they reach as many people as possible. So before we upload the video, there's a little trick we can do with the video file to ensure that it ranks the best. Now, before we do that, we need to identify our keywords and what our title of our video is going to be. Now, we are in the motivation niche market, so I'm going after keywords like motivational videos. So what I've got here is motivational videos. Now, so you that are following along, if you are in, let's say you're a chiropractor, you're going to have videos about being a chiropractor. If you're a local chiropractor, you're going to have information about chiropractic care Bellevue, Washington, Seattle's best chiropractor. Best chiropractor in Seattle 2019. Those kind of things. Remember, we identified 2019, 2020, whatever year it is, whenever you're watching this video, putting the year in there, especially if it's a brand new year, is a really good way to get people to realize, oh, this content's hot for the year. And so those kind of videos end up getting a lot of traction for some reason, and I think a lot of it's just a psychological trigger. So I'm going to incorporate 2019 into my video. I have a success and motivational style video that I'm going to load up to this YouTube channel. So I've got here motivational videos. I like this motivational videos for success in life. So I kind of like that because we're also getting motivational videos, right? So we're getting the keyword phrase motivational videos, motivational videos for success videos. All those are kind of flowing together. So I think I might go with something like best motivational videos 2019. Okay, best motivational videos for success 2019. All right, so let's go down here and let's grab this into our notepad. So best motivational videos for success in life 2019. Okay, so that gives us kind of a long tail keyword, so it gives us a chance to get some rankings initially, but then also to get some traffic, but then allows us to incorporate the best motivational video, right? So best motivational video for success in life 2019. Perfect. That allows us to get keywords like success in life, success videos, best motivational video. There we go. So that's going to be our title. So we've identified that. And if you want to understand more about finding the right keywords, there's a couple of tools you can use. We talked about them in the first one. One is called Keywords Everywhere, and that does a really good job of kind of showing you, what kind of keywords are out there to identify and to kind of, see what they're using. And then there's also a tool out there called TubeBuddy. And so what TubeBuddy does is it's got a free option and a paid option. It will actually, as you go to each video, it's going to actually give you some data about those videos. So if I were to go over here to one of these videos, it would actually give me a little bit of information on this right hand side, telling me kind of what the video is about. So if I were to go here, so TubeBuddy will actually share a little bit of information, some insights as far as what kind of keywords are out there, those types of things. So that's what it is doing. So all right, so that is that in progress. Now let me show you. In fact, before I do that, let me just show you kind of what TubeBuddy looks like when I'm logged in on my other channel. So let me go over here and let's go here to my channel. Go to my other account here. So bear with me just a moment and I'll show you kind of what TubeBuddy does. So as I'm over here, if I were to go over here and I'm in my account now. So let's say um, motivational speech or video, right? And if I were to click on this video, TubeBuddy is going to start to work. So sign in with YouTube to TubeBuddy, and it's just a browser add-on that it does. So let me just sync that in, and it's going to log me into my TubeBuddy account. So I have multiple Gmail accounts, right? So that's a great thing. Google makes things really seamless, really easy to work within multiple accounts inside of YouTube. So once I'm inside here, so I'm going to choose this account, and I'm going to choose allow. And then TubeBuddy is going to give me some insights on certain videos. So if you want to identify additional keywords, that's why I'm pointing this out. That's why I'm taking the time to actually share this with you a little bit more. So if we came down here and let's just type in, let's go to motivational videos. Let's find one there that shows up. Perfect. Okay, so now we're going to see some data from TubeBuddy that loads. That's why I did that. So it's tubebuddy.com. So tubebuddy.com, and you're just going to download it. You're going to want to use Chrome browser for this, but it gives you some really good TubeBuddy video analytics, they call it. These are like analytics for videos, right? So this one, again, best motivational video 2019. When they doubt you, right? Best motivational video 2019. Right here, they give you information on the channel. They give you information on how many social likes, how many views that the video has. So all at your fingertips. But this is what I like. They actually give you the tags that they're actually using. So they're giving you the tags that they're using. They tell you what kind of best practices they have, right? Are they using info cards? Are they using in screens? Did they share it on Twitter and Facebook? These are all things that you're going to want to do to enhance your experience, right? So the engagement piece, the getting traffic piece on, once you upload a video, you want to post it out on Twitter, you want to post it out on Facebook. The in screen, very important. High resolution thumbnail. So we're going to show how to create a thumbnail graphic in this particular video. Then you've also got copy to. So I like this one, copy to. And then if I click on copy to, then it's actually going to copy it into like a notepad file, copy to my computer's clipboard. Then that means if I were to come down here and I wanted to identify even more keywords, right? These are some of the keywords that I could consider tagging with my video, right? So I'm going to go here and I'm actually going to tag some of these. So I'm gonna actually save these tags and use them in my actual video. So when I'm uploading my video, they ask for tags. That's where something like TubeBuddy comes into play. So TubeBuddy is pretty powerful. It's going to give you additional tags, additional keywords. It's going to help you see, what the videos are using. So I highly recommend that you consider TubeBuddy. Now, this is another unique thing. So notice when I clicked on the little button that said show rankings, they're going to tell you where this video ranks for certain keywords. So like best speech, they're number 6, best motivational video ever, best motivational video 2019, they're number 2. 211,000 views, right? So they have it going on 111 million views on their channel. So this is the kind of content that you want to be getting out there. So keywords everywhere, TubeBuddy, right? Those are two really good tools that are going to give you additional keywords, help you identify what you want. So now I'm going to go log out of this, and I need to go switch accounts and go back to motivation counts, which is where we were. So that's going to sign me out of TubeBuddy, but just wanted to show you guys that. Okay, so let's let that video load up here. So now we are in as motivation counts. Perfect. Now that we've done some work identifying the tags that we're going to use, and we've kind of worked up a title for our video and what keywords we're going to focus on, we need to do a couple of additional things before we upload the video. Now, these are what some would refer to as ninja tricks, but basically what we're going to do is we're going to change the metadata of the video. Now, I know that may have just went right over your head, right? But what we're trying to do is, remember, we're trying to rank inside of YouTube. As you remember, YouTube is the second largest search engine. The search engines use data called metadata. So in fact, if you're looking at a Google search result, the websites that show up in the top part of the website and the coding that you don't even see, there's stuff called metadata. So what we need to do is we need to go into the video file so that when we upload it to YouTube, YouTube is told exactly what that video is about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to the video. I'm going to now right click on the video that I'm going to upload to this Motivation Counts channel. I'm going to right click on that and I'm going to choose properties. Right click and choose properties. Now, there's a couple of things here that we need to change. The first one is the title of the video. We want to include our main keyword, which in this case, our main keyword is Best Motivational Video 2019. I'm going to change that. Originally, I was going to go for Success in Life, but Best Motivational Video 2019 for Success in Life. There we go. Okay, so let's just change that. Now let's put that in as the name of the video here. So we're going to put that our main keyword phrase, a title of our video, is also going to be the name of it too. Okay, so Best Motivational Video 2019 Success in Life. Okay, so there we go. So that we're just changing the name of the video file, right? Okay, so Best Motivational Video 2019 for Success in Life. We renamed the file. You could also rename it by simply right-clicking and choosing Rename, right? So make sure your keyword phrase, make sure the title of your video, whatever keyword you've identified, make sure that that is the title, right? So that's one step. Now, step number 2, a little more advanced. We're going to right-click and we're going to go to Properties. Right-click and Properties. We're going to go to Details. Now, when you're inside Details, you're going to double-click where it says Title here. All right, so we're going to double-click where it says Title right over here. This title is going to become, as you guessed it, the title of the video that we're going to be uploading to our channel, right? So Best Motivational Video 2019. Subtitle, we're going to choose something that the video kind of is about, right? So achieve proper, how to achieve proper work-life balance as an entrepreneur. Okay, so now we've done that. Now we need to add tags. Now remember, we pulled a bunch of tags from TubeBuddy. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to add some tags right here. So there we go. So now we've got tags. Now notice this little apply button here. I'm going to go down there and I'm going to click on apply. Okay, so I'm going to click on apply for right now. There we go. We're going to apply that change. It's applying the change there. So you notice now our title is already in the description, right? Under details. You could even rate your own video if you wanted to. You don't need to. And then you can also do comments. You can go a little more detailed here too. So you could go to producers, writers, publisher, content provider. You could say your company name, right? You could put author URL. All right, so lots of things you can do here to really add additional content to this. So let's go director is my name, right? So you can put your name in there. So these are all things you can do inside of this software, okay? And this is, again, completely free. It's just what's on your computer. So we want to include our keyword there. And then comments, you could actually put in the comment, you could write a description out. Now, I already wrote a description for this video because we're going to use this on YouTube. You want to have your description to include keywords. We'll talk about that when we upload it. So I've made some changes. I'm going to click on apply. So just to reiterate, what I just did is I changed the name of the file to include my keywords, right? I took the content that I'm going to be uploading straight to YouTube, and I first put it into the meta file for this actual video, right? So now we've got this video. We can click on it, make sure it plays after all those changes, right? Everything should be smooth. Yep, everything's good to go there. Again, right click, hit properties, then go to details. Details. That's where you're going to put in your data. So notice my video is now ready to upload to YouTube. So let's go over here to YouTube now, and we're going to go to our channel. And so now we're inside of our YouTube account, right? So we're inside of our YouTube account. and this is our channel. It's all set up. We need a video in here. So I'm going to make sure I'm in my motivation counts channel, which I am. And up here in the top right corner, up here, top right corner, it says create a video or post, right? So there's two options. There's a go live option. That's another way that you guys could actually make a video on YouTube. But we're not going to go there. We're going to focus on just uploading a video. So very straightforward process. We're going to navigate to where the video is on our hard drive. So I'm going to go find that video. Let's go here down to YouTube. I got a YouTube folder. And let's go to 12 Habits of Successful Entrepreneurs. Final video. Now, this is the one that we just worked on. Let me check the properties, make sure. Notice that. That's good to go. We got the title there. Perfect. So now our video is going to upload. So while our video uploads, let's put some content in there. Notice we did a good job. It already autofilled the title of the video, right? Because we did a good enough job of that. But obviously I want to clean it up. So I'm just going to copy and paste with the capital letters in there. Now we've got our description here. So your description, you want to include as much data as you can about what they're about to watch, but also entice them to watch it. And at the same time, you want to make sure that in your description, you're driving people back to your website. So I would, don't be shy about saying, hey, follow me on Facebook. Follow us on Facebook. And then put in your Facebook information. All right, that makes sense. Okay, in this case, it might be facebook.com/motivation counts. Then we've got follow us on Twitter. Visit our website. Okay, so those are additional things you can do. So little calls to action too, just to get them, also encourage them to do this, follow us. And you can do little asterisks here to get their attention. So let's go follow our channel. Do not miss future videos. Follow our channel. Okay. Now let's go here, and you want to have some sort of a cool call to action too. So I always like to have a giveaway going for my business. So it's a lead generation. So it could be, a landing page. It's going to have some content related to what they've picked up. So I'm going to actually say, download our free motivation checklist or report here. And then put in your link. Okay, so there we go. So now we've incorporated our keywords. We've also gone through here. We've added that. Now we need to add in some tags. So thank goodness for TubeBuddy, right? We have some tags of top performing motivation videos, right? So that was pretty easy to do. You could also type in additional tags. You could say success counts if you want to put your brand name in there and just do a comma. Let's say this one's a shorter video, so short motivational videos. You can brand your name, brand your business name, lots of things you can do. So discover one of the best motivational videos for 2019. There we go. Okay, perfect. So now we've got our video here, and it's going to ask us for like a video thumbnail. So for now, I'm just going to set this as the video thumbnail. We'll come back and edit that later. So a couple different things. There is different translations here, and we're just going to stick with English for now. You could go and translate into other languages if you really had the ability to do that. We're going to go here, allow comments. Users can view ratings for this video. Category is going to be people and blogs. That is a good category for business typically. Video language is going to be English. And let's see, allow viewers to contribute translated descriptions. If you wanted them to, you could. Typically, that's going to stay off. Syndication everywhere is a good start. Standard YouTube license, that means they can share your video, which you want because you want to gain exposure, right? And as long as you still own the property, you still own the intellectual property of your video. So keep that in mind. Very important. Okay. Let's see. Make video statistics on the watch page visible. Perfect. And there we go. Okay. Allow embedding. Enable age restriction. Nope, we don't have any issue with that. Go here. The content never aired on television in the USA. Okay. And now, and let's see, make sure. Okay, now we're all set. So we've gone through that. Back to the basic info. Our video is ready to go. There's our link. Now we're going to click on publish. Okay, so click on publish. Now, congratulations. Your first video is now uploaded, right? If you followed these steps. In fact, if I click on this, motivation counts, we should have our very first video up there. There it is. There's a little icon. The video is playing. We're in a good spot. Okay, so now you can always add additional tags. You can add more to your description. You can easily do that by going to edit your video, right? At any given time, you want to land on your video, you can go back to edit video and put in a little more information about your content, okay? So you can do those types of things as well, just to add value to your video. So that is how you go through the process of uploading a video, finding the right tags and keywords, and getting it posted. So we'll go on to the next video later. We're going to show you how to enhance this even more by adding a thumbnail and then also by doing additional things to get engagement on your videos and your content.